To fix Steam must be running to play this game, you need to do this. First of all, open up Task Manager, then on search, just write Steam, and right click on it and end all the tasks related to Steam. Go to details again, find all the tasks and end all the tasks. Then go back on search or your shortcut, go to Steam, right click and run as admin. And look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then if you're using, for example, some sort of workshop maps, you need to unsubscribe them. So I'm using workshop maps on CS2, so I just need to go to workshop and you will see your subscribed maps here. So if I go here on workshop, you should see that particularly you need to, I believe, go on CS2 itself to unsubscribe them, but also if you find your map here, just go here and just unsubscribe all the workshop maps that you have. If it's not working, then the last thing that you can do here is to simply go completely close Steam again, just write run on search. Then here you need to write %local app data %, then look for Steam, delete the Steam folder here, and then go to installed apps. On installed apps, scroll down or search Steam. And what you need to do here is to reinstall Steam and install again. Don't worry, your games will be here, but the client itself, it will be reinstalled. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.